guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine right now and showing you my favorite product. Let's start with the first product. When it comes to shampoo, I found this literally at like Ross. It was about $2.99, which is amazing because if you go to stores like Rite Aid or like Target even, these shampoos cost really a hefty buck. They cost about like $5-6. Correct me if I'm wrong. For damaged hair, it nourishes to help repair hair and prevent future damage, and that's what I use today. And I feel like my hair feels so much smoother every time I use it. It's literally almost gone. I think you guys can tell it's like down here. But yeah, this is what I use today, and what I absolutely love about the shampoo is that it lathers up so much. You can just use a little tiny bit and that goes like a long way. I absolutely love the shampoo, so I definitely do recommend it. Once again, it's by Dove, the Intensive Repair Shampoo. The next thing that I use for my hair and that I've been using right now is this reconstructing mask by FANOLA. It smells so good. It's not overpowering at all. It's also like very light, so it does not weigh your hair down, as you guys can tell. I used it today and I literally did put it from root to ends, and I feel like it did not weigh my hair out at all. If anything, it gave it volume. My hair feels so healthy. You guys can already tell. Look at that. Look at the shine. This is an example. My hair feels very smooth, rich in milk proteins. It carries out a nourishing detangling action. It makes your hair soft, and you basically just leave it on for 5 minutes and it works wonders on your hair. If you guys are not able to order online, another mask that I recommend is this one by Silicone Mix, and you can usually find it at beauty supply stores. And this one is protein of like pearl protein, and it's in Spanish because usually this does come, I believe, from the Dominican Republic, and it is by the brand Avanti, and it's just a treatment for your hair and it smells so good. This one does have like a stronger scent, so if you like stronger scents thing for your hair, you're gonna like this one, because I get a lot of questions on like my hair care routine and what things I use and all of that. So the last thing that I'm going to show you guys, I didn't use today. The last thing that I used today was this serum, but usually I love to buy these deep conditioning things, these little pouches. You can find them anywhere like Target and all of that, but I went to my local Dollar Tree and got lucky and found these L'Oreal ones. So yeah, so if you want to see how I get my hair like this, just keep on watching. All right guys, so it's been like about an hour that I got out the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. It's almost completely dry, and I'm going to be showing you guys what product I'm going to be using to style my hair, and one that I've honestly been loving so far. So let me just get that for you and I'll show you guys what's next. I'm gonna brush out my hair. I don't know about you guys, but my hair gets so knotted. What I'm gonna do is put on some nourishing reconstructing serum by FANOLA. I honestly got this in the mail a couple days ago and I've been using it. I've washed my hair, I'd say like 3 times after I received the product, and I've been absolutely loving it. It smells so good. It smells just like strawberries. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit there and run it through my ends. And what this does is it's just gonna smooth out your hair. It's gonna make it shine and look very bouncy, and even repair split ends. All right guys, so this is a tool that I'm going to be using to style my hair. It is by Revlon, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over freaking YouTube because it got famous and very popular a few months back. This is literally what I'm going to be using. I think it's so amazing, and compared to just using a blow dryer and then a flat iron, I think this is the perfect tool. I'm just going to separate my hair in half using just a regular clip. Since my hair is so thin, I can get away with just dividing it into pieces and then blow drying it that way. So this is typically what I like to do. just separate it in half and clip the top piece, and then brush the bottom layer first before blow drying it. I'm gonna stop talking now because this is really loud, but yeah, I'm just going to do the bottom layer first, and then I'll be back once that's done. Like, you guys can already tell how shiny and how healthy my hair feels. Like, look at this. This takes literally no time. So now I'm just gonna throw this in the back. So now I'm just gonna throw this part in the back and focus on the front. So once again, just part it. Brush your hair. And then let's get styling. Alright guys, so far I wish you guys can feel how soft my hair, but I'm sure you guys can tell. Like, it literally feels so soft. It feels like I just got out of the freaking hair salon. Now let's just focus on the top. It's hot. You guys can already tell how voluminous my hair looks, and this is literally what I do every time I want like a really nice blowout. I sometimes also do use a straightener, but I feel like this works so well in my hair. As you guys can tell, it looks really good, and literally that's all. It's like, so yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and